Hey guys, so here we're swapping out a bathroom ceiling fan, and this is 250 mils. You can usually get them in 200 and 250, so it's worth measuring it out. So here are the lugs on the side, so you just unscrew them out and they move out, and as they move out away from the plasterboard, which is 10 mil, you pop them out on the sides. So they come out like so, and then you've got the extension. So these Arlec fans have a 3-point power plug, so you just can plug it in by hand, and you don't need an electrician, and that's what's great about these fans. So it saves you big money on not having to have an electrician, and it's just a swap over. So here we go, we got the new one. So this one's in great working order, and we're just going to plug it in back in like so, and then fix it into place. And it's the 250 mil, so it'll fit nice and snug and nicely around the 10 mil plasterboard. And then we're able to just get those lugs on the side and push them in on the side and screw that in, and they'll just tighten against the plasterboard. And as you can see, it's got these little lugs on the side, and you push it in and then you screw it in and it tightens against the plasterboard. So there's 3 of them. So now it's time to give it a good test run before you put the faceplate back on and see that everything's running smoothly. So there we go, it's running really well, and it was a pretty easy swap over. So you've probably saved yourself $300, $400 by not using an electrician. So these can be picked up in the description below from Amazon for about $45 with free delivery. So here's a little clip on the faceplate, and you just secure that behind the fan, and it just goes on nice and securely, and you just give it a little push, and it goes on firmly. So there you have it, a new fan installed in your bathroom. So thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.